Hi everyone! Mahilig ka ba sa seafoods? Tara dito sa Crabaholic Resto Bar and try the best unlimited seafood boil in town. And feel the joy of their fresh and mouth-watering seafoods. So pagpasok mo sa kanilang resto bar, ganito yung setup ng kanilang place. At meron din silang mezzanine kung saan ang setup ng pag-upo dito ay pa-Indian seat. Minsan may nagpe-perform dito for acoustic night. Just make sure to contact Crabaholic para alam nyo yung date kung kailan merong acoustic night. So eto po yung mga food na tinry namin sa Crabaholic. So first, we tried their butterfly cuttlefish na grabe kasi alam mong fresh yung pusit. Ito yung sauce niya, pero mas bet ko yung kanilang homemade na suka. Next is we tried their baked oyster. Ayan, tamang-tama rin po yung timpla nito. At ito talaga yung dinayo namin, yung kanilang special platter na worth 1,249 lang. Yan, good for 2 to 3 packs po ito. Meron siyang crabs, shrimp, baby lobster, mussels, squid, scallops, tuna, Hungarian sausage, corn, and baby potatoes. They have wide selection of sauces na ikaw mismo yung mamimili. At kung natatakam ka na pero hindi ka makapunta sa Crabaholic Maginhawa, Quezon City, don't worry because available po sila sa GrabFood kaya order na!